Hello and welcome to Night Office Solutions how-to videos. Today I'm going to show how to fix lines, streaks, and dots on mid-volume linear, color, and black and white models. These instructions also apply to Ricoh and Savin models. The first problem we'll look at are black lines that stop just short of the edges of the paper. This problem is often caused by dirty or obstructed scanning glass. To check your scan glass, lift the document feeder and place the line document in the upper left corner of the platen glass. Check to see if there is an obstruction on the scanning glass at the point where the line occurs. We recommend using a lint-free cloth and a bit of alcohol to clean the glass. If you notice the lines are on the second side of the paper, lift the document feeder and press the tab on the top left corner to reveal the second scanning lens. Clean the lens and close the white cushion. If the lines on your copies or prints extend from edge to edge, you may have a problem with your drum or fuser. Next, we'll look at problems with dots on your copies. This is often caused by obstructions on the platen glass or main glass. Like before, clean the glass with a lint-free cloth and a bit of alcohol to remove any dirt, streaks, pen marks, or whiteout. Then, lower the document feeder. If you notice white lines or deletions, there may be an obstruction on your laser glass. To clean the laser on color models, open the front panel and locate the blue cleaning wand. Insert the wand with the brush icon facing up into each of the laser glass openings and slide it in back and forth 2 to 3 times for each drum. Then close the front panel and see if your problem is fixed. If the issue persists, your drum is most likely damaged and requires a service call. Thank you so much for watching this video. We hope it has helped you learn how to fix lines, streaks, and dots on your copies. If you have any more issues or are still experiencing streaks, please feel free to call our customer service specialist at 210-340-8909 and we'll be happy to help you out with any of your service needs.